Look at that. $3,700 to ship wheels.
So what's the deal?
I'm not shipping them. Where the hell's Nick?
You gotta do it for sure.
Oh, he went. No, I'm not shipping them. Period.
Been waiting about, we'll say 300 days to do what we're about to do. And I'm gonna give Nick the privilege here.
My privilege.
Your privilege.
Let's do this. 2, 1. Boom. Let's get it. Basically, like, we'll call it 98% finished. So we have an intake to put on, we have steering stabilizers to put on, and we have the sensor arms to put on and to get the wheels polished. Those are the only things that we have left to do in Vegas.
Are you freaking tired?
I'm tired,
I am absolutely exhausted.
I went home early last night too, and I fucking got a horrible night's sleep.
I think we were at the shop till about midnight last night and back at it about, we'll call it 9 a.m.
I can't, like, my sleep schedule's all messed up for this past 2 weeks.
Oh yeah. SEMA will up your sleep schedule.
Just gonna have to sit on you guys' laps.
Just sit down and grab that from you. Huh? I'll sit down and grab that from you. Most comfortable ride in the house. Thank God we don't have to drive to SEMA with this in our laps.
SEMA!
So what, why don't we explain to our fellow subscribers what the hell's going on with the wheels?
So basically, I ordered wheels. I don't know the exact date, so I'm not going to say exactly, but I got a call from Carlos and he wanted to make it right. So he said that he would let me borrow a set for SEMA. So then I guess he saw a set of wheels that were in transit that were 28x16s on 8 on 170 in Florida.
What the hell's going on with this?
That's Aaron. I built that truck. He got the wheels, got them boxed up, and to get them from Florida to Las Vegas overnighted is $3,700. And so he called me apologizing and just basically said that we are not going to have wheels for SEMA. And so what we're doing right now is we have a good customer of ours who is going to let us borrow his 26x16 specialty forged wheels on 40s. Same tire company, same wheel that we were gonna, well, not the design, I guess. And yeah, we're just kind of a little dirty right now, but definitely for the show I want them polished up.
Yeah, but just from the pictures, we're looking at like
50 a wheel. Okay, cool. That'll work, man. I really appreciate you guys.
probably about 10 p.m. on Friday night right now. We've been at the shop till about 3 a.m. almost every day this week and the week before. What I will say that's crazy, it's only 10 o'clock tonight. It feels like it's like 2 a.m. Just, I don't know if it's the excitement for SEMA or if it's just the fact that the truck is actually going on the trailer right now. What are the chances that you're still at the shop?
100%.
You are?
Yeah.
If there's any chance we could just redo the Kelderman sticker.
Circle with a K?
Yes, sir.
Of course you can. What size does he need?
2 at 12 inches tall.
12 inches.
Is that a possibility?
Yeah. Are you guys pulling an all-nighter or what?
We're hoping not to. We're actually loading the truck on the trailer right now. And as far as we can tell, that we should be done after the sticker. That should be the last thing we need.
Okay. Well, cool.
So-
Yeah, I'll make them right now.
Oh, awesome. Thanks, brother. We appreciate it.
Yeah, you betcha.
All right, we'll see you soon.
All right, bye.
All right, bye.
A few minutes later.
Well, we've basically finished up the truck. We're just finishing up tying it down. What time is it? It's getting pretty late.
Midnight.
We're about to head out to get some sleep, and we'll be here about 4:30 in the morning to take about a 12 to 13 hour drive to Las Vegas. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.
Are you looking for air fittings?
No.
Are you sure? I got a whole handful.
Why do I need those?
I don't know.